circle. Tapos kasama ko si Arkel, yung cameraman. Kaya punta tayo. So doon tayo. I will just cut the video for you. Okay guys, we are here. Okay. Ikaw naman, cameraman. So guys, wait lang. Doon pala cut natin ng video. I'm gonna cut that. Okay guys, we are here. Ikaw yan, cameraman. Guys, did you know the old back like you're gonna dance in the back? I can do that, but I'm not gonna do it. If this gets 20 likes, I will do it. Only just 20 likes, guys. So I will do it. If you made it happen, I will do it. But I think you don't want to see me do it. Daddy, bye. Ito si Bye Man.